Turkey has started delivering T-129 ATAK helicopters and Bayraktar TB2 drones to Nigeria. Turkish Ambassador to Nigeria Hidayet Bayraktar stated that a defense industry cooperation agreement between Nigeria and Turkey had been signed in 2021. Nigeria ordered 6 T-129 ATAK helicopters made by Turkish Aerospace and Bayraktar TB2 armed drones made by Baykar Technologies. Nigeria is the third foreign country to order the T-129 ATAK after the Philippines and Pakistan. Meanwhile, Bayraktar TB2 has so far been exported to 30 countries. Regarding the T-129 ATAK, this is a twin-engine, tandem-seat attack helicopter that has multi-role functions. This helicopter is a licensed production of the Agusta, now Leonardo, a 129 Mangusta helicopter from Italy. The T-129 is designed for attack and reconnaissance missions in harsh environments in all weather conditions, day and night. The first successful flight of the T-129 was carried out on September 28, 2009. Furthermore, this helicopter began serving in the Turkish Army in 2014. Currently, the Turkish Army operates 55 T-129s and 48 more are on order. While the General Command of the Turkish Gendarmerie has received 7 of the 18 ordered. T-129 is also owned by the Directorate General of Security of Turkey and 3 units for use by its aviation department. Besides being used domestically, ATAK is starting to get its export market. The first order from overseas came from the Philippine Air Force, which ordered 6 units, with the first 2 units being delivered in December 2021. The second potential user is the Pakistan Army Aviation Corps, which ordered 30 T-129B units. However, this order was cancelled due to an engine embargo for the T-129 by the United States. The T-129 has a length of 14.54 meters, a height of 3.4 meters, a main rotor diameter of 11.9 meters, and a maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, of 5,056 kg. As the driving force, 2 LHTECCTS 804A turboshaft engines are used, each having a power of 1,360 horsepower. The T-129 ATAK is capable of flying at a maximum speed of up to 281 km per hour, a flight altitude of up to 4,572 meters, and an operating range of up to 537 kilometers.